Well, here we are in sunny Hawaii. Can you hear it? We sure can. Sound of the pounding rain. They're predicting like 5 days of this. Are we taking it personally? Hell yeah! That's a snail. That's a monster snail that's come out to play. Aloha indeed. And here's Betty. She says, what the hell's going on?
What is